I am Harita, second BCA. I am Ketla from I am Amarna from BCA. I am Ajraya Singh from BCA. I am Samiksha from BCA.
Introduction Bangalore. Bangalore, known as Indian Silicon Valley, faced traffic congestion effectively during peak hours, with over 10 million vehicles on the road. Traditional traffic management system struggled to adapt to real-time change. To address this, the city explored IoT-based smart traffic system that use sensor cameras and data analytics to manage flow dynamically. This system connects various components, traffic lights, CCTV cameras, GPS device, and platform to optimize traffic control in real time.
Problem statement. Traditional traffic lights in Bangalore operated on fixed timeline, not accounting for real-time traffic conditions. This leads to long waiting time and signal, increasing fuel consumption and pollution, delay in emergency vehicle. There was a strong needed for a smart adaptive system that could respond instantly to change traffic.
Objectives and scope of traffic management in Bangalore using IoT. To reduce average timing and intersections, to improve emergency response by giving priority and ambulance and its trucks, to decrease fuel consumption and emissions, to use IoT and data analytics, real-time decision making.
My topic is implement and the result. Not project by the Bangalore Traffic Police and Cisco Smart City. Implement in 20 major junctions included. The result of the 30 percentage reduction in average waiting time, 25 percentage improvement in traffic flow during the peak hours, 50 percentage during the vehicles, emission data to reduce the idle timing, improved coordination among traffic control centers and the improved coordination among the traffic control center and the emergency service. Data collected also used to urban planning and road managing schedules. Thank you.
Hello everyone, now we talk about technology. Sensors detect vehicle count and speed at intersections. Camera capture live traffic density data. Data is centered to a central cloud server. A machine learning algorithm analyzes the data and automatically adjusts the signal timing. Emergency vehicle detection. Using GPS and RFID, the system automatically clears the route for ambulance. Mobile app integrations. Real-time traffic updates and provide citizens apps like Google Maps and the city's own dashboard.
My topic is challenges, benefits, and conclusions. Challenges: high setup cost for IT devices and network infrastructures, maintenance and collaborations of sensors, data privacy and security issues. Benefit: real-time adaptive traffic management, reduce congestion and pollution, enhance safety and emergency response. Conclusion: the IoT-based smart traffic management system in Bangalore showcases how technologies can be transformed urban mobility. It demonstrates the smart cities achievable through collaborations between government technologies, providers and citizens.